Fittings include a seat, backrest, a pair of arms, a gas lift, the star base unit, and 5 easy glide casters. Take the wheelbase and push in the casters. Fit your telescopic gas lift to the base. Take an arm and locate the 3 fixing pins. Fit these to the underside points under the seat. Use the Allen key provided to tighten. Attach the backrest by pushing it into place on the cradle shape at the back of the chassis. Use the Allen key to find the right fixing position. Fix with the pins firstly finger tight, then finally lock with the Allen key. Gently locate the seat on top of the gas lift and lower it to allow the taper fitting to engage. Height adjustment. A single lever can be fitted to raise and lower the height of the chair. Take your weight off the seat and lift the lever to raise the seat height. Tilt action. This can be adjusted by lifting the lever and moving the backrest back and forward. The flip back arms are easily pushed back for close at desk work. A centrally located tension control wheel allows you to define how easy or difficult it is for the tilt action to work. That's it. Now enjoy the comfort